Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So today I just wanted to share with you guys a little bit of coffee dyeing that I did this morning. And of course I lost my patience for coffee dyeing in the oven really quickly. I absolutely cannot stand coffee dyeing in the oven. I would rather just buy it. I'm telling you. Yep, that's what I would rather do. But I did take some, what did I take? Parchment paper, which is this, because I love the sound and the crinkle. And these sheets I actually bought like 2 years ago. And they actually come in sheets folded square like this. Can you see it? Yep, there we go. So they already come folded like that. So what I was thinking I could do, because I want the tear look, is just tear here and then tear it again. And then you essentially have 4 sheets. And then what I was thinking about doing with those is just taking like a photograph and just folding it around it, maybe tying something around it, or doing a wax seal, or doing something. But yeah, so I just wanted to share with you guys this. I didn't spend a whole lot of time putting it in the coffee. Like I said, I have very little patience for coffee dyeing, but listen at that sound, guys. Oh my gosh, absolutely love it. So I do need to just break down and do more, because it's really not a whole lot, but I guess it's a good start when it's 4 sheets per one. Yeah. Okay, so we got that and that wonderful sound. Oh yeah. So we'll put those aside. And then this sound is not too bad either. This is just the wax paper, and it just came in a whole sheet, and I just tore some off. I have a lot more in there just sitting out. These I did dry in the oven, and again, not much patience for it, but yeah, this can be torn down, and we could do a little something with these. So just wanted to share those with you guys real quick. So we got that done. So what I thought we would do is just maybe chat a little bit and organize some photos. Guys, I don't know what's going on with me today. It started yesterday, I guess. I just feel the need to get some organizing done already. I know a lot of people, including myself, I jump on that bandwagon at the first of the year. I did January of last year. I started, and guys, I'll be completely honest with you, I have yet to get organized a whole year, and I have yet to get organized the way that I would like, because I have, like, music sheets I probably have in 4 different places, which makes no sense, because then I get frustrated that I can't find the exact one that I want, and of course I know it's all my fault because I'm not organized. So yeah, these pictures were actually just close at hand, so I thought I would just bring you guys along with me while I organized some of these photos. So we have regular black and white photos. How cute is that? And then we have cabinet cards. I did find some. Boy, she looks happy. Mary, 1932. Look at that big old smile. Yeah, pretty photos. Oh, how cute is she? Or he. Not sure which. How cute is that? Yeah, I just thought we would try to get some photos organized since they were close. I have a lot more than this, and I have to figure out. Wow, look at that bow tie. Smithy. Let's see who this is. This is Joseph E. York, 1956. They look pretty. What a pretty couple. August 17th, 1949. 1949 is the year my mother was born. Pretty picture. I love old pictures, guys. But yeah, I think I told you I felt some postcards in here too. Now, I do have a container of postcards, and I meant to get it out so I could show it to you, but it's just like the big thing that you open up, and it has the little plastic bins inside that I keep. Aren't they cute? It says $1, so I'm sure their name is not $1. Those are really cute. Okay, oversized cabinet card. Yeah, but I just thought I would. Yeah, I need to get organized, guys. Look at how cute. I love these cabinet cards. They are so amazing. Wow. And stereo phones. I have quite a few of those. Yep, these are amazing. Let's see, 1901. These are coconut trees in Florida. No date on these. Nope. But yeah, I love these. So yeah, guys, just feel the need to get organized. So I'm going to start early this year. And, you know, here's hoping against hope that next year is better because I could get somewhat organized. It would just be so nice to know that I have something and know exactly where to go and grab it and have it at the fingertips. These are 1897. These are the originals. We have those, and then these are the Christmas ones I had gotten out and made copies of, and then I think guys have lost the copies. Jeez. And that is just printed, so we'll put that over there. That's not original. This, I believe, is a prayer card. Yep. And that's 1910, so that's an antique prayer card. But yeah, guys, just try to get some of this stuff organized and together. The War Shrine, Christchurch, Cincinnati. Postcard, Perry Avenue, Texas. Alright, let's see, guys. Postcard. All these may be postcards. Jack. Alright, Jack. Oh, look at how cute that is. Very pretty. That one's pretty too. Love that. Awesome. Alright, well that didn't take too long, so I don't know what else we're going to do the whole video, guys. Oh my goodness. So bad, so bad. Oh, I do want to copy some of these though. I guess we could, that's what I have these over here for, because I know I want to copy those, and I'll show you guys those. I'm not sure if I have more authentic prayer cards. I know I've been looking at some on eBay, and then this guy's was like a, what was this? Oh, it's a Victorian ad. Richmond Ranges was $6. I got it for $1. Look how gorgeous that is. Isn't that pretty? Monson, Massachusetts. Is that what that says? Yep, it's oven. It's pretty cool. So that needs to go. I guess I'll put that with the prayer card. I don't know if I have any more of those either. And then these right here, guys, is just copies, I guess. It's been distressed. Yeah, and I just bought those. Oh, there's a negative. You guys, you know I have a lot of these negatives like this. I need to start just sticking them in journals and being done with them, because I have like a whole box. So that's an oddball too, so that could go over there. Isn't she beautiful? Look at how beautiful she is. The pearls, flowers in her hair. Her eyes are so pretty. Love that. So those will be fun to use. Okay, so these are copies actually. So let's put those back down in here. I did get out some of these, so let's see what may fit in here. And then I have to find, I think I just have, guys, what is those, you know, the little cubes. Oh yeah, that fits in there. I'll stick that there and I'll show you guys that in a minute. The little cubes, I actually have one of those like almost full of cards. I don't know why I didn't bring it in here, because I mean full of pictures, because I seriously need to go through all of those. So let's sit those down in there, and then from there, that fits perfect. Then from there I need to get like a permanent house for these. And I also need to go through some of my other ones. It's actually in my antique. I think I have two. Do I have two or just one? Two. I don't know. And have scrapbooks too, guys. We need to go through the scrapbooks again. We're going to do these stereo phones back in here. Maybe we will. No, let's do them in here, because they are pictures. There we go. Alright. But yeah, find a permanent house for those. And I'm thinking, guys, I was thinking, oh Lord, help us all, about, what was I thinking about? The pink and clear bins that I got last year at Walmart, is getting some more of those, seeing if they are still available. And then we could put a lot of these pictures in there and label them. Because I think I mentioned at some point, not sure when, not sure if you've seen it yet, I don't know, I'm out of sorts, that my friend Doreen at Ooh La La Vintage Treasures actually has a digital kit that's labeled like crocheted, lace, vintage lace, antique lace, all kinds of stuff. And I think she's going to work on putting together a little something else with some other mixtures of stuff. Her and I have been talking back and forth. So she's so sweet, guys. Y'all need to go over there and check her out. Yeah, about getting some, you know, that's like maybe for antique photos or cabinet cards or black and white vintage, whatever, to get better organized for those. Those would look good. Okay, let me show you these. So I know I want to copy these. And what I did, guys, was when I picked these pictures up, I knew these in an upcoming journal that I'm wanting to make. I wanted these 4 pictures of these sweet babies here. They are, this one, yeah, she's got a dress on. These are all little girls, but look at how cute. How cute. Look, she's on the swing. I hope it'll focus good. She's behind a little picket fence. She's sitting down with a little, there's an old car back there. It's probably, oh, I was going to say the 50s. It's actually August 1944. And the clothes slash something again. August 1944. Look how cute. She looks like she's in tears. She doesn't really look like she's smiling. She looks like she's borderline crying, but it's a cute picture. Okay, so I know I want to make copies of those. So when I was thinking about making the copies, because what I want to do is put those, like copy these, cut them out, and then glue them on antique book pages, and then tear around the book pages where the book pages is sticking out around it. So yeah, I wanted to pick out some little children. So let's go through and kind of sort out the children. See what we get there. But yeah, so when I was thinking about that, so when I go to estate sales, I end up getting a lot of like bulk office printer paper and stuff. You really don't know what all's in there until you bring it home, because I don't, well, I've been using, she's a child, just not an itty bitty one, normally just print out my pictures on cardstock, so I'm using up my cardstock. When I have photo paper, I have matte, oh look how cute, in the snow. I have matte and glossy, and I think one extra glossy. Anyway, I found like 4. Oh, they're at the beach. Fun stuff. Yeah, I ended up finding like 4 packs at the park at something. Rex, Bill, May, M-A-E. That's my middle name, guys. Bob and Annie, 1946. But yeah, ended up with finding 4 packs, like full packs of, well, they look like they're having a blast. Too bad they don't have their names on there. of photo paper. So I'm thinking the ones that I choose here, we will print out on that to use that paper, because seriously, I bought it 2 years ago and I don't think I've ever printed anything out on photo paper. Look at that house. I bet that house was magnificent. I bet it was. So yeah, I need to get to using that and then save my I'm saving something. 1945, August 1945. Save my cardstock for other stuff. And between now and Christmas, it is the Saturday after Thanksgiving when I'm filming, guys. I'm not sure what all we're going to get into. If we're going to start a journal, I'm just not sure what all is going to go. Okay, so I like that, and I like that, and I like that, and I like them all. Maybe not so much this. Not for the project I'm working on. Not that I don't like it. Definitely love him. Okay. So these we'll put in another one for the children. How about that? Not a lot of children. That's sad. Okay, so these we're going to end up making copies with, to go in upcoming journals. But yeah, use that photo paper up. Okay, so these are copy. But yeah, really need to get organized. Alright guys, I know this is not a very, very long video, but I'm not sure right offhand, because that bin with the cube with the other pictures in it is in the sewing room, and I tell you, if you go in and look straight, you're fine, but if you ever look to the side or behind your back, it's still an absolute disaster in there. So I have got to, and I don't know where that cube is with all of these pictures in there that need to be organized. So maybe we will go ahead and stop this video, and in the next video, maybe I could be better organized, and we can go ahead and sort through those. Alright guys, thank you all so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate all of your support. Please hit that thumbs up and leave me a super quick comment. I really do appreciate it. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.